In this video, I will show you how to search contacts by company in Google Contacts. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the company name you want to search for. Google will instantly display all contacts associated with that company. You can click on any contact to view full details, including email addresses, phone numbers, and notes. Let's try another company name to see how easy it is to find multiple sets of contacts. Again, all contacts linked to that company appear in the results, making it very efficient to manage business relationships or send targeted emails. For more advanced searching, you can use filters in the sidebar to narrow contacts by email, phone, or label, which is helpful if you have a large list. This is especially useful for sales teams or anyone managing multiple professional connections. And that's how to search contacts by company in Google Contacts